Did you know kangaroos can't walk backwards? Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to our exploration of these fascinating creatures known as kangaroos. With their powerful hind legs, large feet and muscular tail, they truly are a marvel of nature. From their unique way of locomotion to their complex social structure, there's so much to discover about these iconic Australian animals. So, are you ready to dive into the world of kangaroos? Let's dive into the world of kangaroos and explore the top 10 things you should know about them. Starting off with number 10, kangaroos are native to Australia. These fascinating creatures make their homes across the vast landscapes of this land down under. From the arid outback to the verdant coastal areas, kangaroos have adapted to thrive in diverse climates and environments. There's more to this mammal than meets the eye, as kangaroos are not a one-size-fits-all species. There are several types, each with its unique traits. The red kangaroo, eastern grey and western grey kangaroo, and the Antilope kangaroo are the four main species. The red kangaroo, the largest of the lot, roams the arid and semi-arid interior of the continent. Eastern and western grey kangaroos are more likely to be found in the fertile regions. The Antilope kangaroo, on the other hand, prefers the tropical north. So next time you think of Australia, don't forget to picture a kangaroo. Moving on to number 9, kangaroos are known for their unique way of moving. Their locomotion is a fascinating blend of power and grace. Instead of walking or running, these marsupials hop. They use their muscular hind legs and large feet to propel themselves forward, while their long, robust tail provides balance. This hopping motion, or saltation as it's scientifically known, is not only speedy, but energy efficient. In fact, the faster a kangaroo hops, the less energy it uses per distance traveled. Isn't that something? Now, here's a fun fact about our bouncy friends. They can't walk backward. Their hind legs and tail structure just don't allow for it. This physical constraint influences their behavior, particularly when it comes to escaping predators. They always move forward, quite literally. Imagine if we could hop around like kangaroos. Life would be a lot more bouncy, wouldn't it? At number 8, we have the fascinating reproduction process of kangaroos. Kangaroos have a unique way of reproducing that sets them apart from many other animals. The female kangaroo's gestation period is only a month long, after which she gives birth to a tiny, underdeveloped offspring known as a joey. This joey, blind and hairless, makes an incredible journey from the birth canal to the safety of its mother's pouch. It's here, in this cozy pouch, that the joey continues to grow and develop for about 9 months. They feed on their mother's milk, which changes in composition as the joey matures. Even after leaving the pouch, joeys often return to feed or seek protection until they're around a year old. It's a process that's both vulnerable and miraculous. It's amazing how these creatures carry their young ones in a pouch, isn't it? At number 7, let's explore the diet of a kangaroo. Kangaroos are herbivores, which means they feast on plant life. Their preferred food sources, grasses and shrubs. They'll graze for hours, munching away contentedly. Yet these jumpy marsupials are not picky eaters. They're also known to enjoy leaves, flowers and even ferns. And don't forget about water. They need less than you'd think, often getting what they need from dew and the moisture in their food. Kangaroos sure do love their greens. Moving to number 6, did you know kangaroos are social animals? Yes, you heard it right. These fascinating creatures are not lone wolves, but rather they prefer to huddle together in groups called mobs or troops. These groups are usually made up of 10 or more kangaroos, but can sometimes even reach up to 100. Now that's a party. Within these groups, there's a strict hierarchy, often dictated by the male's size and strength. The strongest male, known as the alpha, leads the troop and gets the first dibs on food and mates. But it's not all about power and dominance. Kangaroos also engage in social grooming, a behavior that helps to strengthen their bonds. Females or flyers also play a crucial role. They're the ones who take care of the young, known as joeys. Mother kangaroos are known for their strong maternal instincts, often seen nurturing and protecting their offspring. So kangaroos are not just about hopping around, they're about hopping around together. At number 5, let's talk about the defense mechanisms of kangaroos. When danger lurks, kangaroos don't just hop away. They're equipped with a unique set of tools that can fend off predators. Their muscular hind legs and robust tail are not just for locomotion. They double as powerful weapons when needed. Kangaroos can deliver a mighty kick that can seriously injure or even kill a predator. And it doesn't end there. Kangaroos are also known for their boxing skills. Yes, you heard it right. These creatures use their front paws to box just like a seasoned boxer in the ring. They can throw a punch, dodge, and even clinch their opponent. It's fascinating how nature has equipped these marsupials with such an array of defensive tactics, isn't it? Boxing kangaroos, quite an image, isn't it? Coming to number 4, we look at the lifespan and predators of kangaroos. On average, kangaroos live for about 6 to 8 years in the wild. However, in captivity, where they are safe from predators and have a steady food supply, they can live up to 12 to 18 years. Speaking of predators, kangaroos have to continually be on their guard. Their most common predator is the dingo, Australia's wild dog. Other threats include large birds of prey who may swoop down on unsuspecting joeys. Humans too pose a significant threat to kangaroos, often due to their encroachment on kangaroo habitats. Despite these challenges, kangaroos have evolved to be extremely resilient. Their strong hind legs and large feet are not just for locomotion, but also serve as powerful tools for self-defense against predators. Life in the wild is not easy, but kangaroos sure know how to survive. And at number 3, let's discuss the conservation status of kangaroos. Currently, kangaroos are not endangered, but that doesn't mean they don't need protection. Efforts are ongoing to maintain their habitats and manage their populations responsibly. Conservation initiatives range from legal protections against hunting to establishing safe zones in their natural habitats. Despite these efforts, challenges such as climate change and urban sprawl remain. Kangaroos are treasured creatures, and it's our responsibility to protect them. At number 2, let's explore the symbolism of kangaroos in various cultures. In Australian culture, the kangaroo is a symbol of tenacity, survival, and forward progress. Its unique hopping motion signifies moving forward and not looking back, making it an emblem of progress and resilience. Beyond Australia, the kangaroo's image is associated with strength and power due to its muscular build and agile movements. So, kangaroos are not just animals, they are symbols of strength and progress. Finally, at number 1, we have the most surprising fact about kangaroos. Did you know that kangaroos cannot walk backwards? Their muscular tail and long hind feet prevent them from moving in reverse. Now, there's a fun fact to share at your next social gathering, and that's a wrap on the top 10 things you should know about kangaroos. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing content.